Welcome class 5, and this is your science class, and I'll explain you, or I will just revise few of the MCQ questions of chapter 2, that is growing plants. Okay, so there are few questions. Number 1, if we'll see the first question, baby plant is called, what should be called? Number 1, cotyledon. Number 2, embryo. And third one is shoot. So, a baby plant is cotyledon, embryo or shoot. It should be embryo. Next one is, which of the following seed is dispersed by wind? So, there are given few names of the seed. First one is cotton, then coconut, then bean. So, which one is dispersed by wind? It should be from cotton. So, write down which of the following seed dispersed by wind. So, which one of the following seed dispersed by wind? Number 1 is there, cotton. Number 2 is coconut. And third one is bean. So, if we will see the three alternatives of this question, which of the following seed dispersed by wind? So, we know the dispersal of the seed by wind is possible in cotton. So, it is, the answer is cotton. Now, the third question you will see, which of the following is not a agent of dispersal of seed? Which of the following is not a agent of dispersal? So, which of the following is not a agent of dispersal? And the alternatives are given. What are the alternatives are given? First one is water, second one is wind, and third one is soil. So, which of the following is not a agent of dispersal? Water, wind and soil. So, we know this soil is not the agent of dispersal of seed or dispersal. Soil cannot make any kind of dispersal, but water and wind both are dispersal agent of or the agents of dispersal. Okay. So, this is the answer. Now, we will see the next question. We will go for the next thing. Then we can grow a new plant from carrot. It is an example of a growing plant from leaf, stem and root. We know this is a type of vegetative propagation, and carrot always grow from its root. So, this is root is the correct answer. Now, next one is, which of the following plants grow from the stem cutting? Which of the following plants grow from stem cutting. Stem cutting. And the alternatives are rose, bryophyllum, bryophyllum, and third one is sweet potato. And we know which of the following plant grow from the stem cutting. Which of the following plants grow from the stem cutting? There are given, rose is given and bryophyllum is given, and the next one is sweet potato. It should be rose, because we know rose and the sugar plants, these all grow from the stem cutting. Okay. So, this is a stem cutting plants from the rose. Next one is in the bryophyllum plants, buds are present in where? So, the fifth one is in bryophyllum plant, buds are present. Buds are present in the number 1 leaves, number 2 stem, number 3 roots. So, in bryophyllum plants, buds are present in the, it should be leaves. Okay. So, these type of questions you will get in your MCQ question pattern, or you will get maybe from inside you will get some kind of a statement and you have to choose the correct answer from it. Okay. So, maybe from inside the chapter you will get it. So, you have to go through the chapters very well and then give the answers. Okay. Now, we will see the next question. We can see there are few more questions are there. Now, xanthium seeds are mainly dispersed by, again this fifth apple fix we have done. So, sixth one is xanthium seeds are mainly dispersed by air, animals, sea water. So, xanthium seeds are mainly dispersed by, xanthium are having the spikes or the spines, they stick to the animals and they go through it. Okay. So, So, it will get by the this answer, this is animal. Okay. Now, the seventh one, you will see the seventh answer. So, it is, or the seventh MCQ, that is, which of the following is a Rabi crop? Which one is Rabi crop? So, three alternatives are here. Again, A is wheat, B is rice, and the C is maize. So, the answer should be wheat. And the eighth MCQ is given here. Which of the following plants grow from spores? Grow from spores. A alternative is given here, fern, B is rose, whereas C is bryophyllum. So, which of the following plant grow from spores? Fern, rose and bryophyllum. It should be fern, because we know the leaves, under the leaves, in the fern leaves you will see the spores are present under the leaf or the dorsal side of the leaf, and from these spores the new plants grow. Like that, there are some other questions are framed. If we want to grow a new bryophyllum, we need to search its buds on the leaves. Okay. In fern, dash can grow into a new plant. So, what is there? Spores are there in the plant to grow the new plant. Now, these type of questions are can be framed. Okay. Dash are called our green friends. So, the alternatives are plants, seeds and leaves. So, it should be plants. Dash store food for the baby plant, cotyledons, stems and roots. So, it should be cotyledons, unless and until the plants grow well and they develop their own leaves. Till that time, the cotyledons provide food to new growing plant. Okay. Next one is dispersal of the balsam seeds takes place by dash, water or explosion. It should be explosion, because when the seeds are being dried and then these are dispersed by the wind only. Now, next one is dash help to add nutrients in the soil, irrigation and manuring. Naturally, manuring is the correct option by which we can add the nutrients in the soil. Okay. So, that is all for the day, and next day we will do the next chapter revision, or you can say that next chapter MCQ, few more MCQ questions we will write on the board and you will choose choose the correct answers. Okay. So, go through the all chapters very well and go through the chapters reading, and do not learn, but you should know all the things very well so that you can give the answers. Okay. That is all for the day, and have a nice day. Go through the study and just you should know all the things.